That is Mai Kamala. Mai Kamala means I mine. That is Maya means a sort of Maya illusion. That is, you identify yourself with somebody, some quality, some things, and say, I am not that, but I am this. Are you getting what I'm saying? It's little higher knowledge, but if it goes above that, never mind. Maya, Kamala, is identifying with the impermanent things that is in the world. Mine, that I am miserable, I am happy, I am talented, I am successful, I am a failure. All this about I. I'm so miserable, I'm so unhappy. This attachment to Maya, that's Maya Kamala, Maya Kimpa. These three things are not in Guru. And so, these three things are in a jiva, are in a soul, in a spirit. So when that comes close to Guru, when the connection happens, what happens? These malas starts first thinning and then disappearing. And so it is necessary in life to blossom in higher spiritual energy. Then the energy changes. Same energy, both are same energy. See, a high spirit of enthusiasm or anger or sadness is all same energy. In one energy you are holding on to, in another it's free. So Guru has Swatantra Shakti, independent energy. And an ignorant person, one who is not a Guru, has Maya, Maya Shakti. But both are same. It's all simply energy, but this has these three colors to it. Like jailer is also in jail and the prisoner is also in jail. But jailer can go in and out whenever he wants. He or she wants, to be very correct here. He or she wants, they can come in and out. But one who is inside there, have no freedom. Right? So, you come here, this knowledge, this celebration is just to remind your connection. So when you are connected, when you know your father is rich, you don't feel you are poor, right? When you know you're, you're connected to something very big, and then you can't feel you are small or you lack anything. And you are not alone. Today, I heard 45% of America is suffering from loneliness. In spite of having so much knowledge, everything, you feel lonely. And the reason is no connection to the big mind, the Brahman. So one who has a Guru in life can never feel lonely, should not feel lonely. And if you believe in God, you can't say, injustice has happened to me. If you agree, God is omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient, then how can you say, I have been done injustice? A devotee cannot say that. Are you getting what I'm saying? Because injustice keeps you small. The justice, injustice, this is your concept in the mind. That keeps you in a shell. And that makes you into Maya, Mayik Mala. This knowledge is little higher knowledge. It's not for the beginners, no. If it doesn't ring a bell in you, forget about it. Just say, Gurudev said something, it is going up. It's gone to the doom. So when the presence is with you 24/7 and it is all powerful, how could that Brahman, that presence, can cause any injustice to you? And if that higher power is in everything, in everybody, how can that be? And it is all a play. Are you getting what I'm saying? Well, this is your inner understanding. And Lord Krishna also said to Arjuna the same thing. In every heart I am present. So drop this feeling, oh, I am doing something wrong, I am doing something right, and just fight. And you fight without this concern that you are fighting. Just become an instrument. It's amazing. The way of action without being an actor. Are you getting that? It's very, very, very fine and very delicate. Everybody cannot get it. That's why if you don't get it, there's a time you may get it. For now, forget about it. So when you come to Guru, these malas starts disappearing, vanishing. And then you realize you are bliss. There is nothing other than bliss. We are all, every one of us is just such ecstasy, such bliss.